Hello and welcome to today's daily Leetcode challenge. We are celebrating 100-day badge for 2023, so that's cool. Let's start question 1436, destination city. We've been getting a lot of easy level questions. I presume that it's because of the holiday season, hence the hat. Okay, let's begin. You're given an array paths, where path I is another array, city A, city B. Means there exists a direct path going from city A to city B. Return the destination city, that is, the city without any paths outgoing to other cities. It is guaranteed that the graph of paths forms a line without any loop, therefore there will be exactly one destination city. To visualize this, the paths represent a line almost. I don't even know if it's a graph at this point because it seems like there's only one path from the actual beginning city to the destination city. What that means is the property of the original source city is that it only appears once. It only appears in the source of the path along all paths, and the destination, the final destination city, only appears in the destination of all paths. Only in one path of all paths. So what that means is we can create a set from the source cities and the destination cities. We know that they're going to be different by one city in each of the sets. So there's going to be one extra city in the source cities and one extra city in the destination cities. And sets have properties that allow us to maybe even withdraw or take out the difference between the two sets with a minus sign. So let's get to the implementation. I'm going to have a source S set and a D set, and I'm simply just going to populate it. S set add path 0, D set 1, and I should be getting a S set and a D set that is roughly equal to, well, actually no, exactly equal to all of the different source cities and all the different destination cities. In this example, Lima, New York, and London happen to be source cities. Sao Paulo, Lima, and New York are destination cities. The difference between them, if I was to subtract from the destination all of the sources, I would be subtracting Lima because it appears in both, and I would be subtracting New York, which would appear in both. Sao Paulo is left, and Sao Paulo happens to be the output. To do this, we simply destination set minus S set, and I believe since this is a set of in itself, we can call the pop on it, which would remove that element and return it. Let's run this, and we should be good. This is a pretty easy solution. I'm guessing that it's testing your knowledge of sets. We're not doing too well, but yeah, we're not doing too well, but I'm looking at the best possible solution, and it is pretty much the same thing except for the last bit of conversion there. Which, well, out of curiosity, let's see if this is actually better. I'm interested. Slightly, but not extremely. So I'm going to guess that this is the best solution there is. I liked pop a bit more because it doesn't involve converting from from sets to lists. It's a bit messy. Pop is a perfectly valid method on sets that allows you to remove elements. I don't know in which order, but it does. And okay, that's it. Well, thanks for watching. Let's keep this video short. Please like and subscribe, helps out the channel, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.